My treatment was called the Divergent word retrieval task, and it's created to assist right and left hemisphere aphasics who have anomia or word finding difficulties. So they will begin with a category or topic and will be asked to recall as many words as possible that fall underneath that specific category. I suggest you write these words down because you'll need to remember the words that they produce to obtain their fluency and their flexibility scores. So the fluency scores are how many appropriate utterances the patient produced that are relevant to the category or topic they were given. If the word they produced has nothing to do with that specific topic, you do not count that word. Then you will obtain a flexibility score by counting the variety of responses within that category. In addition to items that fall underneath a specific category, you can ask the patient to list words that begin with a specific letter, similarities or differences between objects, common uses for an object, or possible solutions to an issue. Okay, I'm going to give you a topic, and you're going to name as many things possible as you can that go along with that topic. So, for example, if I say farm, you could say chicken, eggs, hay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's your turn. I want you to name as many things as you can that you can find in the kitchen.
An apple, a stove, a knife, eggs, spoon, oven, fork, and car.
Okay. Thank you. So Mr. Shin's fluency score was 7 because he produced 7 relevant utterances that have to do with things that you can find in the kitchen, such as apple, stove, knife, eggs, spoon, oven, and car doesn't belong in the kitchen, so you would not count that as a fluency score. His flexibility score was 3 because he had 3 different topics within the category: food, appliances, and silverware. Okay, Mr. Shin, we're going to do the same thing as we did before, except this time we're going to write it down. So, for example, if I say, name as many words that start with the letter S, you could say snail, soup, silly, and C. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. I want you to name as many words as you can that start with the letter B.
Banana, bears, brown, blue, bird, red, and snail.
Nicely done, Mr. Shin. So this time, Mr. Shin's fluency score was 6 because he had 6 utterances that were relevant to the topic, which is words that begin with the letter B. He said bananas, bears, brown, blue, bird, bread. He also said snail, but that wasn't relevant, so we don't count that. His flexibility score was 3 because there were 3 topics that he produced: foods, colors, and animals.